Hello my fellow eggheads. Today we're going to be working on the warning in the console if you have a React application that says Invalid DOM Property class. Did you mean class name? So we're going to show you really quick how to fix this. So as you can see here, this app, we hit inspect, we go into the console, and we have that invalid DOM property class. As you can see, the page itself functions properly without any sort of issues. You can click on the different tabs and things like that, and it's still functional. So we're going to show you what you can do about that to clear this warning, because although the site works, who wants a warning in their console, right? So what we can do. So if you go into this, we're going to click on footer.js and see what we find there. And if you see here right away, now in React they want you to replace, instead of class like you would typically use with HTML, they want you to change it to class name. Now for a new programmer, right, you might have just gotten used to using class and then have to change the class name. Or if you're a programmer that's been programming for a long time, sometimes you just by accident write class because that's what you're used to. So the thing about React is, although it will accept class and your CSS will oftentimes still work correctly, it will give you a warning in the console that it wants class name. So this can make it hard to troubleshoot because the CSS still works, so you don't know what page it's necessarily on. But if you see, if I change it to class name and then I save it, right, refresh, it's gone. So one of the things that sometimes an obvious thing for a class not working is if the CSS doesn't work on that page. But with React, if you use class instead of class name, it will still work. You'll just get a warning. So that can be a little bit confusing. So go through your code, change all those class to class name, and that should clear up and resolve any sort of warnings in your console. So if you want to check out our little React page, we have a link to it, a little demo page in the description down below. If you want to check out our GitHub, we have a brand new shiny GitHub to share our code with the world. So go ahead, you can follow us there, or you can just check it out. If you have any code in particular you're working on, please tell us. Tell us what programming languages you love and what technologies you're currently working on, or if you have any fun projects, leave them in the comments down below. Or if you have any suggestions for us, please go ahead and leave them down below. And from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.